Hey guys, today we're making these delicious chocolate cupcakes. These are super delicious and so amazing and so easy to make. Okay, so we're going to start off by separating our eggs into two bowls. Now make sure you don't get any yolks in the bowl of your egg whites. Once your eggs are separated, you can set the yolks to the side, and then to the egg whites, you're going to add a pinch of bicarb, and then whip this up with your mixer until it reaches stiff peaks. Once it's stiff, you can start beating and then set that to the side. And to the yolks, you're going to add in your flour, sugar, warm water, vanilla, oil, and then you're going to set that to the side. And to your cocoa powder, you're going to add in a bit of water to make a paste. Once it's formed into a paste, you can add that to your egg yolks with the other ingredients. And then you're going to go in with your electric mixer and beat this all together until it's light and fluffy. Now this will take around 5 to 10 minutes. And this will ensure that your cupcakes are nice and fluffy. Once it's lighter in color, then you can stop beating. And then lastly, add in your baking powder and then mix that in. Once that's mixed in, you can add in your egg whites a third at a time and just fill that in gently. And then add in the rest of your egg whites and fold it in. Once that's done, you can scoop your batter into your cupcake liners and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. For the ganache, you're going to add in your chocolate and cream to a saucepan and then heat this up on the stove. And keep mixing until it forms a silky smooth ganache, and then dip your cupcakes into the ganache once they've cooled, and then decorate however you wish. That's how easy it is to make these cupcakes, and are super delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.